The spindle and gear is a reduction gear inside your drill's gearbox. The assembly consists of a spindle that has a spur gear milled on it and a separate spur gear that is pressed onto the spindle. Over time, the gears will wear. This will lead to excessive gear lash and noisy operation. If the gears fail completely, the motor will spin, but the chuck won't. Replacing the spindle and gear is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the motor housing. And next I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. Next I'll separate the two halves of the gearbox. Now I can go ahead and remove the first gear. When replacing the gears, it's also a good idea to replace the grease in the gearbox. The grease will be full of the metal from the worn gears. If you don't replace the grease, the metal in the grease will quickly wear out the new gears. Now I can replace the gear. I'll apply some new grease to the gears, and then reattach the two halves of the gearbox. And now I'll reinstall the armature. I'll slide the armature back into the motor and secure the gearbox to the housing with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And that's all it takes to replace the spindle and gear in your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.